Hello, friends, and thanks for joining us today as we take you on an epic food tour through Malaga, Spain. We've been on many food tours, and they're always fun, but this one was extra special. Thanks for watching, and let's get right to this.
Hello, friends. Are we good?
Yeah.
So we are about to do one of Mrs. Carnes and me's most favorite things in a new city, and that is to what, Mrs. Carnes?
Go on a food tour.
We're going to go on a food tour. We're going on the Malaga Wine and Tapas Tour. I think it's the Spain Food Sherpas is the name of the, which is a fun name, is the name of the tour group that we're going on with tonight. We got about a 10-minute walk. We're going to walk down to our meeting point and see what the food scene in Malaga looks like. So come on along.
So I'm excited to see what kind of little places we'll eat at tonight. Food tours are a great way to get to see the city and get to eat some of the foods the city is famous for in some really good places. There's our Picasso museum we just went to. And we just went to the church and saw the baptismal font that Picasso was baptized in. So, there you go. While we were walking to the food tour, we just happened to walk by and the church was open, getting ready for Mass to start, so we were able to pop in and get a look. Another beautiful church, and I'm so glad we got the opportunity to pop in. I saw that was a hospital over there. It's the hospital. Right across here, it's the Hospital of St. Thomas. Little street. This is the meeting point. Oh, look at this. This is very cool. The Grand Avenue here. Antigua Casa de Guardia is our first stop on the food tour. This extraordinary small bar with its old barrels and dense yeasty fruity aroma is Malaga's most iconic bar. Started in 1840 by Don Jose de Guardia, a leading winemaker in his time. It was a delight to step into this long room and see barrels lined up. Watch the waiters chalk your bill onto the barrel top in the old style, and then sip from small, simple little glasses the rich, sweet vermouth that I've become a fan of since we've been in Spain. It's a no-nonsense place that's dictated by time-honored traditions, and it was a pleasure to be there.
Salmon and cheese nibble to go along with our Spanish sweet wine.
Is it good?
Very good. It's very good. I'm afraid I'm going to drop yours.
Please don't.
I'm not going to. Got it?
Yep, I got it. Looks good. Off to our next stop, and as we walked along, we came to the Central Market.
Wow.
That's the other side of the market. Yeah, it's beautiful.
So you can see the sea right there, the water, the boats, the market gate. That's one of the cathedral gates here to the roof later. And the cathedral that has the one tower, and we call it the one-armed lady, okay? Don't ask me why it's in Finnish, it's like that. That's a historical too, because there's so many versions I don't even know. And on top the Casade, which is the Arabic fortress, because they were here for 8 centuries. And I find that amazing, because inside
Can't take her guide anywhere.
She knows everybody. This is our next stop. Oh, look how cute. Step back in time to Malaga's past at El Almacen Del Indiano, a neighborhood bar, restaurant, and grocery store that retains the charm and tradition of the past. Located in the heart of Malaga, this old-fashioned grocery store is where you can try and buy a wide variety of local Iberian products. The selection of meat and cheese that we were served was great, and this was a great second stop. Yum. Love it. Cheers. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers.
It's not sweet wine.
Oh, vermouth.
Here.
Yay! I was wanting more vermouth, remember?
So you have to do it in one turn?
So good, yeah. They had a good selection of wines, craft beers, hams, cold cuts, cheeses, oils, and pickles, all from Andalusia. Here, gastronomy, tradition, and travel merge into one. Hola. What is this place? Do you know the name of it? El Gallo Ronco at Plaza de las Flores was our third stop. I just loved all of the old wine holders being used as decorations. We were taken upstairs at this charming restaurant. From here, we had a lovely view of the cute little street below. So that's the only place you can see a flamenco show here. We were given a choice of red or white wine, both locally produced. I like the wine, but the unique food choices at this stop are what I remembered most. Yummy, doesn't it? Fried eggplant.
Super typical, maybe from south of Spain. We have eggplants, fried eggplants, like chips, with honey, with sugar cane honey, and with molasses.
Okay.
It's delicious. Well, I really like it.
Interesting. Very sticky.
I know you love that. You should let me do it. Today? Yummy, don't they?
Very well done, very well cooked. Perfectly al dente sort of shrimp. Oil, tiny little bit of chili. I could use a bit more chili personally, but Mrs. Garth is going to love it.
We devoured. It's all gone.
So this is a lively food tour bunch.
It is.
We're not shooting
Fun.
a lot of it.
No.
But it's very loud and very fun.
We're having a good time.
Food was good. The wine's been good. Meeting some new friends from several countries.
Yeah.
We're off to the next stop.
So what are the countries? Remember Croatia, Belfast.
Two from
Ireland. Two from there, yeah.
England.
One from England,
One
yeah.
from Croatia.
Croatia.
From the Netherlands.
One from the Netherlands, and they're all fun. They're all so cute and nice, very personable people. We've enjoyed very much talking to them and getting to know them. It's a great tour. Really having a good time. Where we were. It was really cool. Carpet. We get to walk on the red carpet because we are so special. Look at that. We're having a red carpet event here for the film festival. Or just because Mrs. Carnes and me are going to be here. Yeah, they heard that. So they rolled us out the red carpet, and we're letting everybody walk on it because that's just how we roll. It's pretty at night. We went in today. Yeah. Our last stop on the food tour was at EME de Marian RS. This restaurant emphasizes market and seasonal produce to recreate the flavors of the past. Soups and stews made with traditional recipes are the stars of the show. Oh, look at all these. Oh, they have the vermouth too. We started with a Hacienda Gramont wine and then were served a dogfish soup, one of their specialties. Thank you. Thank you. It smells very good.
A really lovely holiday in Croatia.
For me, the star of the show was the paella. Made with saffron-flavored rice, meat, seafood, and vegetables, this paella was amazing.
can barely
This is the paella.
get on the bike. Moped being do that.
We think.
It smells amazing. I bet it tastes the same way.
Probably. So it's a moscatel. Moscatel.
It's grown here in Maui.
Oh, it's like
Yeah.
a
Like,
okay.
because it's sweet, it goes well also with
Okay.
Yeah.
chocolate and cheese, right?
What the heck did you bring me? So we are in a place now. What do you think about those? Huh? What do you think? I think this is called La Fabrica. Let's see. So that's
Cruzcampo.
very interesting. Okay.
Party's going on now. So what did you just say? So we just finished up our food tour plus an after party with,
First time we've done that.
and what did you just say, Mrs. Carnes?
I said, where else in the world would you have a dance party going on with someone from Holland, someone from Croatia, actually two people from Croatia, someone from Northern Ireland and the United States, all dancing and having a great time together. And someone said, Malaga. I'm like, you're right. So it was fun.
This was a fun
It was a
time.
fun evening. Yeah.
We didn't get to film a wrap up with Maria,
No.
but
It was amazing.
the Spain Food Sherpas were wonderful. We would recommend that you do the tour
Yeah.
and hope that you get people that are
That
1/10
fun.
as much fun
Oh my God.
as our bunch. So we have a 15-minute walk back to the hotel, a very, very early train in the morning. So thanks for watching Mrs. Carnes and me on our day in Malaga.
We'll see you on the train.
Hopefully we'll see you on the train.
We'll see you on the train. We're not missing that.
Thanks for watching, folks. Until we meet again, cheers.
On the red carpet.
As is befitting, Mrs. Carnes and me,
Amen. Look at us walking on the red carpet.
in the rain.
In the rain. In Malaga. There they are. They're waiting for somebody. We're not sure who, but some famous actor or actress from Madrid. Just walking through the streets of Malaga. In the rain. Holding hands. With somebody I love. Good evening. New friends. From so many countries. That's why you travel. You know that?
Yep.
It is. Tonight is a prime example of why you travel. So fun. Such a good time.
I think we may have to go this way.
What's that girl's favorite fruit?
What?
Banana.